you might notice something different about the scheduling experience. Things might look a little unfamiliar right now, but we've moved things around in a way that we think will ensure long-term comfort for you. Let me show you around. You're probably used to seeing scheduling options in your Composer that look like these. In the new experience, you'll find all of the same functionality, but organized differently and with a special added feature, which I'll show you in just a minute. Each time you go to schedule your post, you'll simply click the Schedule Post button in the lower right. So what will that do with your post? Well, there's the drop-down on the lower left that comes into play. Whichever option is selected in this list is how your post will be scheduled once you click the Schedule Post button. Let's look at those options and see how they compare to the former options. The Share Now option has changed to the more simple term, which is Now. The Schedule Post option is written a bit more clearly as Set Date and Time. The Share Next option is now called Prioritize. We added a little description to make sure you always know what choice you're making. And Next Available performs the same action as the former Add to Queue button did. Okay, so those are the basics, but remember that I said we included a new special feature? There are actually two. So the first is under the drop-down arrow on the blue Schedule Post button. This is the quickest way to rapidly move from scheduling one post to another without unnecessary clicks. The second new feature is highlighted in the blue callout at the top of the menu. It's the default, and this is your gift to efficiency. When I click on that blue callout, it'll take me to my preferences within the account settings. At the bottom, you'll be able to schedule your default scheduling option. If I'm someone who always chooses a specific date and time for each post, I'm going to select Set Date and Time. If I have my posting schedule set up as I like it to be, I'll probably set Next Available as my default because that means that each post will slip into the next available posting slot in my schedule. We hope you love our new scheduling options in Buffer. However, if for any reason you don't, we'd love to hear about it and we'd love to learn from you. Just click the Help button in the lower right of your dashboard or from our Help Center.